up, guys? Hope everything's alright. It's a little familiar, isn't it? Except that truck. You know, we've been here before. We've been here before, and we've been here with these two cars before. Right? Recently, ever since I got that mic stuff to mic up the car and everything, Mike, no pun intended, has been whining. No pun intended. So today, we're going to go ahead and we're going to, yes, dad jokes. We're going to mic up Mike's car and listen to his whining a little bit, okay? So just give me a little bit, let me get that process done, I'll be right back.
I had to move the seat to get the equipment in.
Okay. Alright, I'm ready whenever you are.
I need belly room anyway.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Go ahead, start.
Let's just go. Put on low fan, yeah.
Do what?
Put on low fan. Also gonna mess with these mics.
Okay. Low temp, low fan.
Yep. It's a mental thing.
Yeah, as soon as I hit the clutch, my foot's off the gas.
You've done it for so many years that you just stuck with it, you know? Little thing there.
Where's that?
Just right, just right. It's right there. Go down and see what James is doing. He's following it. Man, James is one outside there. What a moon it.
I'm gonna do a flyby on.
Now we got almost shot. There's West there. I just roll over one of them. Just roll. Guys, I wish I was saying this. 2 drones just hovering around, just playing around.
You say it's sword fighting.
Yeah. He's like, get the hell out of my frame. Oh, he's like, oh. He's like, get in my frame. I should have had my handheld camera too. My potato phone camera would be good. Look how Wes flying with his. That was nice. I guess now we're just gonna mess around with the drones a little bit, clown around with the cars. James showed up. Oh yeah, I gotta take my mics out of the car. I'll be back. We still out here. Busy little bees you're hearing flying around, buzzing around and shit. It's kind of fun. James with his on there. And then Wes on Intercept. On the Intercept course. Wes has those little missiles going pew 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 pew. And James is a Death Star. And I have mine in my trunk. I actually need to get out. Mine's kind of different. I got my FPV stuff I was telling you guys about. I am recently switched over to oh my god, I crushed it when I whipped the car around. Whew. I think it's okay. Yeah, I'll kind of whip the car around and stuff. But yeah, so I have my drone there, got my controller and stuff there, so I need to fly. I need to go get a chance to fly. And it's kind of late now. We had some fun. I had some fun. I don't know about y'all watching this. It's kind of dark as hell. Darkness! I don't know if you see me or not. We had some fun. We played with the cars. We played with the drones. We had some little in-air stuff and everything like that. It was really awesome. Wes brought out the camera right now. He's going to take some Twilight photos. Take some Twilight photos and everything like that. It's really going to be really cool. We had fun. We got to do this more often. Right? We got to do this way more often.
I agree.
Just get out, middle of nowhere, and just fuck around. Alright guys, hit a like if you like that idea. Hit that sub. Now, I love you guys. There's a lot of you guys that watch almost every single video, and you guys rock. But if I could ask you guys one more favor, if you do enjoy the video, I know a couple of you guys are lurkers and you like to lurk and chill and just relax and watch the video. But if you think it's entertaining, it's funny, it's derpy, just hit that like. The more likes works good for the YouTube algorithm, which promotes the channel. It works out better for the channel, it works out better for us. And I can get more content. I can put back more towards the channel and stuff like that. It's a little too dark right now. Don't want to get run over. A lot of Amazon trucks up and down. Until next time guys, you all have a good one.